Morning class. Today we are doing the chapter 13. This is Natural Vegetation of India. As you know, India is a country of diversity, and we notice the diversity in every field of life. Like people wear different type of clothes, and they eat different type of foods, and different varieties of crops are grown here. So, as we look around the natural vegetation of India, we also see the that diversity is in that also. Now, first the question arises: what do you mean by the natural vegetation? Natural vegetation means the natural growth of the plants and trees in a specific area. That is we call natural vegetation. It means natural growth of plants. Uh, Now this is a map of India, and as you know, you have learned in the chapter where the location of India. Like India is a very vast. India is having a very vast area. So from that from Run of Kutch to Arunachal Pradesh, as you know, the distance is 3,000 kilometers. So there is a difference of like different types of climate is there in that area. And from Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari, you are having the distance of uh, around 3,200 kilometers. So it's a vast distance, and different type of climate is there in that distance. So according to the climate, we are having different type of vegetation here. And in India, this Tropic of Cancer, which passes and divide India in almost two parts. Uh, that is the northern and the southern part. So wherever the Tropic of Cancer is passing, it means the climate is hot there, humid also. All so those area having a different type of natural vegetation. Here in the map, you can see the areas according to the natural vegetation of this. Uh, this is the green color, that is not very dark green, light green one, that is called tropical deciduous forest. So this you can see which area it is covering here, this area. Uh, this area is like a light green one, that is a tropical deciduous forest. And uh, the area which is of a dark color, this one here, and this one dark color one is tropical evergreen forest. These are evergreen forests here, that is the northeastern part, and this is here in the coastal part. Western Ghats are here you will find those. And then the third number is this, that is here in Jammu Kashmir, Uttarakhand, some part of Himachal also there, and then Sikkim, and northeast side, that is called montane forest. And then you find this light yellow color. This is here according to the climate we get the natural vegetation, which is a thorn forest we call it. These are the dry area here, Rajasthan, Gujarat, and this is the plateau areas here, which is rocky. So this is there. And the blue one, this is this is called tidal forest or mangrove forest, where lot of water is there. They grow there. So this is near the Bay of Bengal. You will find this here, here, and some part of this here near the Arabian Sea here, Gujarat, and here. So, according to the climate, the natural vegetation is also different in different areas. Now, in this chapter, which is this chapter is just introduction of the natural vegetation. So, you will see that natural vegetation according to the climate or the area, different type of uh, trees and plants are found there. So we have divided it into five types of uh, natural vegetation. The first one is tropical evergreen forest. The second one is tropical deciduous forest. Third one is the thorn forest, montane forest, and the tidal forest. Just now I said you uh, about these forests, and in detail we are going to read in the next chapter, next class. And here you can see this. This is a picture of a tropical evergreen forest, and these forests, why we call them evergreen? Because they are their leaves are always there throughout the year, so we call them evergreen forest. Okay, and they are mostly found in the Western Ghats, uh, and the West Bengal also, and Andaman Nicobar Island, Odisha, there they are found, and they are very dense forests. Now the second one is tropical deciduous forest, and these forests are like they are also in from the western. These are also found in the eastern slopes of Western Ghats. Like when Western Ghat is there and you move towards the east, then these forests you will find. And northern plains are also having this, where the foothills of Himalayas you will find the tropical deciduous forest. Now the third one, this is a forest, and you know these forests are mostly from the desert. They are scattered one. You can see them. The trees are scattered. Uh, so they mostly in Rajasthan, Gujarat, and some part of the plateaus, that is Deccan Plateau, you found this type of vegetation is found. Now the this is called montane forest. This is the all the hilly areas like Jammu Kashmir, and then Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, they are Sikkim also. They are having this mountain forest. This is called, you can say it is a also coniferous trees are there. You know, just thinking why we are having this type of coniferous, like this type of structure of the trees. Why we are having this type of structure of the trees? Because in the hilly areas, in the mountain area, due to the snow, the tree, if the flat leaves are there, not the coniferous, like the cone like, if it will not be like this, then the snow is going to destroy the tree. So we are having the coniferous, so that the snow just uh, uh, goes down. It's not sticking to the tree. So that's why we are having coniferous or mountain forest in the hilly areas, and mostly are Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim. They are very beautiful forests. People like for the scenic beauty, people go to the forest and see these forests. And now the third one is also a beautiful forest, that is tidal forest. And the tidal forest are also known as a mangrove forest, and they are found in the eastern part of that, like West Bengal side. And they are especially found where the rivers are falling, that area where water is also there, and the land is having lot of moisture. There you find the tidal forest. So, and these are like Sundarban Delta is there, and this is the forest, tidal forest near the Sundarban. Uh, it's a beautiful, and they act as a sponge which holds. They are mostly present where the lot of water is there. Okay, and this is mangrove ecosystem play a very important role in protecting the environment around uh, around it, but they are very fragile also. Fragile means they are very delicate one, because they are growing in water. The land is very marshy there, so they also, if lot of water is there or more rain is there, then it is possible that they fall. So they are fragile also. So these type of now we have done uh, five types of forest or natural vegetation, and in detail we will do in the live class. Just go through the chapter and try to understand why are we having such a vast variety of natural vegetation. Thank you. Do read the chapter and try to understand it.